ayun na nga. So, hi everyone. Wala lang. Ma-record ko lang. So, I wanna show you or share with you yung song na sinulat ko when I was high school. So this is the story of, someone na she was like manifesting or talking to someone na hindi niya pa nakikilala. So yung title ng song is Kalawakan, which is I wrote nung nasa band pa ako when I was high school. And yun nga, yung parang sana man, diba, na dumating yung time na naririnig din ng soulmate niya, diba, na ayun, na she's manifesting this person na marinig man yung boses niya. So that's all. Nakakahiya sabihin, pero anyway, I hope you like this song because I wrote it when I was younger, and sana magustuhan niyo. So wait lang. Wait lang, dami commercial sa YouTube. So sasabayan ko na lang siya. Okay, so ito yung video. Sabayan ko na lang siya. Okay. This is me with my bandmate. We took it college na nung nilapatan na namin ng music. So, yeah. I just hope you'll hear it. Kung makasama ka, ito ang aking hiling. Ngunit may pag-alinlangan na ito'y maririnig. Labis kong ninanais tuwing umaga hanggang gabi. Ngunit pag nakikita ka, di mo lang makaimik. Sana